Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. Today I want to show you one of my gear indicators again. I did make several videos, but I just wanted to show you this one again, or at all, because this one is again designed for go into a GoPro session waterproof case, because the buyer from France, thank you for your purchase, will put this on his motorcycle. So that's why it has a 3D printed ABS case. I do not use PLA because it will deform in heat, even in sunshine sometimes. So anyway, once you power it up and you are not in neutral, it will say please select neutral. And if you are in neutral, it will show you that. Let me turn it off again. In this case, green wire is neutral. Oh, you cannot see it. It's below here. It has 5 wires. Ground plus 12 volt. Green for neutral. 1 for upshifting and 1 for downshifting. So now I connected the green wire to ground. Oh, in his case, I had to change the code because his bike outputs ground when in neutral. Normally on your neutral light you have positive 12 volts, so I have that version as well. So if I power it up now, it will show neutral. There you go. And once you, let me power it off again here. So once you're out of neutral, and you can use reed contacts or micro switches. So let me try to hold this and do this while trying to show you. So once you're neutral, I think it was blue, is for downshifting. And right now it's connected to 12 volt. So blue is downshifting. First gear. And yellow is for upshifting. He has 5 gears, so it's limited to 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Even if he goes further with your lever, it will not go higher than 5. And then you can downshift 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st. It obviously skips the neutral. So, and then when you go into neutral again, you can, and if you want to skip first, you go upshift again, it goes directly to 2, 3, 4, or down again. Try this. This is a nightmare with only 5 wires. 2nd, 1st. So this is actually it. Pretty simple. Unfortunately, he didn't order any startup logos or startup bitmaps for showing any logo or name or motorcycle brand. So this one is just plain and simple. Let's turn it off again, turn it back on. Please select neutral, and the inputs are reverse protected against 12 volt input, reverse power input. I can show you. This is a 12 volt. Even if I connect it to 12 volt, nothing will happen. They are protected by diodes. And this is the ground. Nothing happens, and obviously still works. Neutral, blue is downshift, first, yellow is upshift to 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. So this is it, pretty simple. I do these also for cars. If you have a car that does not have a CAN bus and you still want to have your gear this plate, it will work for those, and I do have also CAN bus gear indicators as well. So he will buy his own GoPro session case. He can use either this hole here or drill a hole and output the wire. These are, by the way, silicone wires. I only use high quality silicone wires on everything, and this is also silicone. It's not shrink tube, but it's a silicone tube, and he can waterproof that once he builds it, puts it into his case. So this is about it. I will put the link in the description so you can see for yourself and get them if you like to. And as I said, this is ABS printed case. This is a PCB actually, and I'm out of carbon fiber plates. I think I might get them back in. And since I really don't know how long the wire will need to be on the bike, I just make it like this, and then you can extend this. These are thinned, so you can either solder wire to it or use clamps to make the connection to your bike. So this is it. Thanks for watching and take care, everybody.